want to be Madonna for Halloween? All you gotta do is get yourself a pair of leggings and a swimsuit and 2 water bottles. You want to be a spice rack for Halloween? All you need is a bra. Just go in your mom's or your grandma's closet. There you go. And some spices and like a plain white t-shirt and some leggings and you're good to go.
Rag, rag, city, bitch, city, bitch. Rag, 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 city, bitch, city, rag, 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 city, bitch, city, bitch, city, bitch. What's that on that beat?
To be Michael Myers, you need a jumpsuit, like a janitor type jumpsuit. Get them at Ragstock. And a knife. And if you're like me and don't have a mask, I'll tell you how to make one. Put a piece of white paper up to your face, draw around where your eyes are, and then cut it out. How to be ninja. Get yourself a PS4 controller and a blue wig and like gray t-shirt and some pajama pants. To be a caveman, all you need is a bat and a wig and maybe some cheetah leggings and like a white plain shirt. To be a mannequin head, all you need is a sweatshirt and a mannequin head and just plain pants.